Welcome back. After the Christmas break, the I-League action will resume on Wednesday. 3 of the 4 Goan teams will be in action in the 12th round matches. League leaders Dempo Sports Club will be in action in Banglore against bottom-placed HAL, while second-placed Churchill Brothers will clash with local rivals Sporting Clube de Goa at Nehru Stadium in Fatorda.
Dempo Sports Club have bounced back from a shocking run of 3 defeats. Armando Culaso's side returned to winning ways last time out of when they beat Sporting Clube de Goa at Fatorda in the 11th round. Dempo's lead at the top of the table is just 1 point. However, the 4-time champions will be confident of clinching full points against bottom of the table HAL outfit. But Armando is guarding against any complacency as he says this year's I-League is becoming a close title race.
There are no good teams and bad teams, all are equal, with the exception of the HAL. But then we can surprise any team at any time in Bangalore.
Second place Churchill Brothers have a tough task at hand. An unpredictable Sporting Clube de Goa, who are currently 8th in the table, have the capacity to shock any team on their day. Churchill are, however, strong on paper, but that does not always guarantee full points. Churchill lost to Pune Football Club last time out and lost the chance to be top of the table at Christmas. Nevertheless, the Warka-based club will be itching to return to winning ways on Wednesday against the Flaming Orange. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Sports Authority of Goa Executive Director V.M. Prabhu has clarified that the delay in completing floodlights work is not due to alleged demand for commission from the contractor GE. Prabhu rubbished the speculation that GE was harassed to pay commission and hence the multinational illumination company failed to comply with the stipulated deadline.
Sports Authority of Goa had claimed that the work will be completed in 2 months by Liberation Day, but some roadblock and work on floodlights is still not complete. SAG maintains that GE took the project lightly and will have to pay penalty for missing the deadline. But there is speculation amongst the public that multinational company like GE cannot just blunder, and it is due to the harassment to pay commission that GE failed to deliver in time. SAG Executive Director V.M. Prabhu has rubbished this speculation. He urged that people should not go by reputation of a company and should consider their work on project-to-project basis. Prabhu stressed that GE simply failed to follow the specifications even after working threadbare on the technicalities. Whatever is the matter, one thing is important, and that is the floodlights should be up and running sooner rather than later. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media.